दोस्तों, मैं नीरज पाल। आज हम परसेंटेज का टाइप 1 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है इफ़ 80% ऑफ ए इक्वल्स टू 50% ऑफ बी एंड बी इक्वल्स टू x% ऑफ ए, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज़। हमें x की वैल्यू बतानी है। चलिए करते हैं। 80% को हम बोल सकते हैं 4/5 ऑफ ए इज़ इक्वल्स टू बी को हम बी कितना 50% है, 50% को बोल सकते हैं 1/2 ऑफ बी। देन ए अपॉन बी का हम रेशियो देखेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 1 × 5 एंड अपॉन में 2 × 2 विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी 5 अपॉन इधर 4 आएगा एंड 4 2 ज़ा 8। एंड हमें पूछ रहा है कि b इक्वल्स टू x% ऑफ ए, b इज इक्वल्स टू x% ऑफ ए। तो हमें b कितना परसेंट है x का, हमें ये निकालना है। तो b इज़ 8/5, ये हमारा b अपॉन a का रेशियो है। हमें निकालना कितने परसेंट है, तो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 100 से, तो हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा। देखते हैं, इधर 20 आएगा, 8 2 = 16, 160% इज गोइंग टू बी दी आंसर। तो हियर इट इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर 3 हमारा आंसर हो गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं। इफ़ x इज़ 80% ऑफ y, x इज़ 80% ऑफ y, x इक्वल्स टू 80%, 80% इज़ वॉट 4/5, जैसा हमने पहले देखा था। 40% ऑफ y, देन वॉट परसेंट ऑफ y इज़ x। सो x और y का रेशियो हम देख लेते हैं। x अपॉन y इज़ इक्वल्स टू 4/5 एंड अब हमसे पूछ रहा है कि y कितना परसेंट है x से। तो हम निकाल सकते हैं y अपॉन x का रेशियो निकालते हैं 5/4। आप यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं कि एक ज़्यादा है, या फिर ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि 5/4 × 100। आप देखेंगे यहाँ 25 आएगा एंड इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 5 यू विल गेट 125 एज आंसर। 125% विल बी दी आंसर। ये थोड़े इजी क्वेश्चन है, आगे आगे अच्छे क्वेश्चन भी आएंगे। जबकि ये CGL प्रीलिम्स एग्ज़ाम 1999 का है, काफ़ी पुराना है बट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, आ भी सकता है। इफ़ 8% ऑफ x, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इफ़ 8% ऑफ x इज़ द सेम एज 4% ऑफ y, देन द 20% ऑफ x इज सेम एज। देखिए 8% ऑफ x, 8x इक्वल्स टू 4y, हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज परसेंटेज से परसेंटेज कट जाएगा। x अपॉन y हम कह सकते हैं 4/8, इसको काटेंगे तो 1/2 का रेशियो आ रहा है। इफ देन द 20% ऑफ x, 20% ऑफ x कितना होगा, सेम एज x का 20% कितना होगा, x का 20% कितना होगा, यू कैन से दैट इफ दिस इज 100, दिस इज 50 एंड 50 का 20%, 5 2 = 10, 10% आना चाहिए। So this will be the answer. Then 20% of x is same as the 20% of x is same as the 10% of y. 20% of x is same as the 10% of y. Okay, next question. A student multiply a number by 35 instead of 53. What is the percentage error in the calculation? एक बच्चे ने 35 से गुणा करने के बजाय 53 से गुणा कर दिया। एक नंबर को 35 से गुणा करने के बजाय उसने 53 से गुणा कर दिया, तो परसेंटेज एरर कितना आएगा? परसेंटेज एरर कितना आएगा? लेट्स से वो नंबर x था, उस नंबर में इसने 35 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। इसको करना किससे था? x को मल्टीप्लाई करना था 53 से। देन यू कैन से दैट कितना एरर आया। एरर आप देख सकते हैं, एरर आया यहाँ 15, 15 3 18, 18 का एरर आ रहा है। किस पर आ रहा है? 53 पर। तो 18 का एरर है 53 पर इंटू 100, this will be approximately 2 or 18 to 36. It is around 34%। 34% का एरर हमें देखने मिलेगा। If p% of p is 36, then p is equals to, if p% of p equals to 36, तो p कितना होगा? हमें सिंपल कह रहा है p² equals to 3600, तो p will be under root of 3600। हम इसको कह सकते हैं 60 आएगा, तो हमारा p जो है 60 होगा। दिस विल बी दी आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 2000 के CGL में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। 2 is what percent of 50? 2 is what percent of 50? 2 is what percent of 50 into 100? 2 आया, 2 to the 4। 23 is what percent of 13? 23 is what percent of 13? You can write 23 upon 13 multiply by 100, you will get the answer। 13 7 ja 91, and here we have 9. Let me multiply first। 23 divided by 13 multiply by 100, we will get 2300, then here is 13 I think I will get it is approximately the, I think here should be 26, then only this will be correct। 26 is what percent of 13? multiply by 100 करेंगे, this will become 2 and this will become 200, and this will be the answer, 200%। If 0.15%, let me write it like this, of 33 1/3%, we can say that as 1/3%, 1/3 of 10,000 will be equals to how much? So this point will remove these two, and this remove these two, and this will cut it by 5, so we can say that 5%, 5, only 5, so 5 is the answer, option 1। 30% of x is 72. The value of x is 30% of x is equals to 72. Then value of x is, so we can say that you can cut it 2 hours and 2 hours and 4 hours, and you can multiply it by 10 to 240, so the answer is 240, option 2। If 15% of a plus b equals to 25% of a minus b, then what percent of b is equals to a? So first of all we need to identify the ratio between a and b, so just crossing each other, 3 and 4, 5, a plus b upon a minus b is equals to 5/3. You can treat it as a quadratic, treat it as linear equations, and just removing these two, so minus minus will be cancelled, and 2a will be equals to 8, and a will be equals to 4. So if a is 4, then b will going to be 1, according to this equation, so b is 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, then only it will become 5, b equals to 1. अब b 1 हो चुका है तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, अब हमें पूछ रहा है कि what % of b is equals to a, what % of b is equals to a, तो a b का कितना परसेंट है, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट इज़ अराउंड 400%, ऑप्शन 4 इज करेक्ट. What is the 20% of 25% of 300? 20% can be written as 1 by 5 and 25% can be written as 1 by 4 and multiply by 300. We will get the answer. 5 4s are 20s. Let me cut it by this 60 and this will become 15 and 15 will be the answer, option 4. If x% of 252, if x% of 252, x% of 252 will be equals to 150, then value of x is, just we need to find the value of x. So how we can do this, just cut it down. Let me cut it. 3, okay, this will 8 times and remaining is 12 and 12 can be cut by 4 and here 3 5s are 15. Okay, now we can cut it by 2, 4 and 2 and this will be 25. Now just x is equals to 25 multiplied by 100 and divided by 42 and 42 can be cut 8 50 and this will become 21 and 25 multiplied by 5 is 125 and divided by 21 and this will cut it. I think I did some mistake here. Let me do it again. Let me write it again. X percent of 252 is equals to 150. Then 3 4s are 3 8s are 24 and 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 4s are 2s are and 25 and x will be equals to 25 multiplied by 100 divided by 42. We have to cut it down. This will become 21 and 25 multiplied by 5 is 125 and 10 of this 21 5 stars 105. I don't think this question is right. Then the value of x is x percent of 252 . There is some mistake in this question. Let me take another question. 50% of x minus y, 50%, that means 1 by 2 of x minus y equals to 30%, 3 by 10 of x plus y. So we can I'm sorry, we have to write here y, and we can make a ratio of x and y. So x minus y upon x plus y will be equals to 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 10. This will be going to be let me write it 6, and we can treat it as linear equations again, and we can cut them, and 2x will be equals to 16 and x will be going to be the 8 If x is 8, then y should be 2. Y is equals to 2 according to this equation. X is 8 minus 2, then only the 6 will come. So what we need to find is what percent of x is y. What percent of x is y? Y is what percent? 2. Y is 2, or x is 8 and multiply by 100. So clearly we can see that 1 by 4 and 4 is multiplied by 25%. So we can take it as 25%. Option number 1 will be the correct answer. If 5% of x, 5% of p, 50%, sorry, 50% of p equals 25% of q. 50% of q, that means 1 by 2 of q, 1 by 2 of p, sorry, is 1 by 4 of q. So we can make out the ratios of p and q. So p by q will be equals to 2 by 4, and we can cut it down by 1 by 2. Then p is equals to x percent of q. P is equals to x percent of q. So p is what percent of q? Just write p is what percent of q. P is what percent of q? P is 50% of q. You can see that p is p by q लिखना है 1 by 2 multiply by 100. You can cut it down. This will become 50%. So we can write here as 50. Option number 3. Question number 15. If 20% of A equals to 50% of B, 20% of A, 20% can be written as 1 by 5 of A will be equals to 50% 1 by 2 of B. We can make out the ratios of A and B. So here A by B will be equals to 5 by 2. And what they asked from us, then what is the percent of A is B? What percent of A is B? A का कितना है B? तो 2 by 5. Let me write here. A का कितना है B? तो B ऊपर जाएगा, A नीचे आएगा. So 2 by 5 multiply by 100. This will be cut down and this will become 40%. So option number 2 will be the correct answer. In a school, 40% of students plays football and 50% plays cricket. If 18% of students neither play football nor play cricket, then the percent of students playing both. Okay, easy question. School 40% plays football. Let me make a Venn diagram. So here is 50%, 50%, and here is 40%. These plays football. They play football, they play cricket, and 80% of the students neither play football nor cricket. So 18%, these are the 18% student, they don't play any of the game. They don't play any of the game. Then how do we identify? You can see if 18% are not playing, so there is only 82% are left who are playing games. Here we can say the 40% and 50% both will become 90%. Therefore there is some students which are overlapping each other, and they are 90% minus 92%. So 90% minus 82%, this will become 8%. So these 8% students play both. So we can tick it as 4. Thank you. We will meet in next video.